ito po ang 6th Gala Performance and Expulsion Night of Pinoy Dream Academy Season 2. Kasama ko ngayon dito ang dalawang scholars na may be spending their last night inside the academy. Guys, I'm giving you one more chance to talk to the viewing public. Bakit kayo deserving magstay dito sa academy? I'm gonna start with you, Iñaki.
Well, I just like to say that I think I still have much to learn. And gusto ko po pa sanang ipagpatuloy yung journey ko dito para ma-fulfill yung pangarap na yun na matuto.
Christian?
Marami pa po akong dapat matutunan. And gusto ko pong makamit yung dream ko na maging magaling na mga awit. And kayo na po bahala kung gusto niyo pang matupad yun. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Good luck sa inyong dalawa. And, well, let's see what's going on with the performances. Tony?
Thank you, Billy. Kulang daw sa hangin sa pagkanta ang unang trio magpe-perform. Maayos na kaya nila ang paghinga para gumanda ang kanilang a cappella numbers sa gabi ito. Please welcome scholars Bugoy, Sen, and Van.
Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Now it looks as though they're here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, yesterday came suddenly. Why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't say. I said something wrong. Now I long for yesterday. Yesterday, love was such an easy game to play. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe in yesterday. I believe in yesterday.
Maraming salamat, scholars Bugoy, Sen, and Van. Hello, dito tayo. Aba, tingnan natin kung ano ang masasabi ng jury sa Beatles Classic na ginawa niya ng sariling version. Mr. Gerard?
Galing! You know, I'll tell you right now, trio gets a 10.
Congratulations! Aba, talaga namang overjoyed. Thank you, Mr. Gerard. Thank you, scholars. Diba, nag-paid off yung pagre-rehearse nyo this week. Ang galing-galing talaga. Sige, hug each other muna. Hug each other. Ayan, mga kapamilya, sa gabing ito, dalawang performances ang ipapakita ng mga scholar trios. Ang isa'y a cappella, tulad ng kinanta nila Bugoy, Sen at Van. Ang isa na may isang mabilis na number. At tulad ng probis ang marka makukuha sa dalawang performances na ito, ang magiging basihan ng grades ng scholar for this week. Nakita nyo naman kung gaano kainit ang ibinibigay sa inyong pagsuporta ng inyong tagahanga. Ngayon naman, I'll join Billy.
Exit na, boys. Boys, exit. Exit.
Yes!
Grabe, narinig mo yun?
Grabe! 10!
Perfect!
Sumatalon tayo. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Anyways, the next trio will perform their fast number according to